In this video, we are going to learn types of sets, where one is empty or null set. A set having no element is called empty or null set. Empty set is generally represented by empty braces or phi. For example, A is equal to x such that x is a natural number such that 2 less than x less than 3. It means there is no natural number between 2 and 3. Another example is B is equal to x such that x is a natural number whose square is 3. As we know that 3 is not a square of any number. Two important notes I am writing here. When 0 in the braces is not empty set because it has one element 0. So when 0 is in braces is not equal to phi, where phi is empty set. Another is phi cannot be written as phi in braces because phi is empty set, but phi in braces is not empty set. It contains one element, that is phi.